Hi everyone, welcome to Yet to Develop Properties channel. Yes, I'm very sure like you already know that every Saturday I upload vlogs about my latest journey in life, which is becoming a legal practitioner in Nigeria. Today is Wednesday and this video you're watching is about real estate. So today I'm just going to be talking about the service charge in Lagos real estate market. Currently I'm in Port Harcourt, but I've not really had time due to law problem. Law is a problem. The bulkiness of law book is super okay. So I've not had time to research extensively about the real estate market in Port Harcourt, but definitely when I do, I'm going to bring you updates about the real estate market in Port Harcourt. So let's just dive right into real estate market in Lagos. This is 2024, and I'm very certain that a whole lot of us want to invest the bulk of our money into money making assets, which is just like real estate, by buying properties, either investment properties or rental properties that will bring you daily or monthly or yearly income. So let's just talk about the service charge that you incur on buying a property in Lagos. In Lagos, when you buy a property, most especially when you're buying from real estate companies, before I dive right into it, I would like to tell you that please, when you want to buy a property, buy from real estate companies. See, forget that I'm a realtor. Buy from real estate companies, but don't just blindly buy from real estate companies. Lagos State government has even made it easier. Before you buy a property from a real estate company now, you can easily just get the title number of their property, then run a search on the latest website, the latest innovation by the Lagos State government, which makes it easy for every one of us. Either realtor, you don't need to be a lawyer, you don't need to be a surveyor to run this check. Just input the title number right on the search bar in that website, and it will show you all the details about that property, so you can know if you have to go ahead with that purchase or you should do what you should run before we should run away from buying that property. So in another video, I'll be doing a detailed analysis on that particular website, so we can all know how to navigate the website and save ourselves from falling prey to scammers who are on lock around now to make us praise when we are not very observant. So I'm just going to dive right into today's topic, which is the service charges that you incur by purchasing your properties in Lagos, Nigeria. So when you buy from real estate companies, there's something that we call developmental levy. This developmental levy has been a fee that has caused a whole lot of issues between realtors and clients. I currently still have a client that signed that he's going to pay developmental levy, and now he is to pay, he is refusing to pay. So it has been a fee that is causing the issue, and now a lot of companies are now incorporating the developmental levy into the price of their properties. So that's why you say that the price of the properties are higher, because when you check, they've already incorporated the price of the developmental levy into it, so there will not be any cause for fight or running after each other on developmental levy. So developmental levy fee is a fee that is charged by real estate companies to develop the estate. If you want, you're going to use to provide drainage system, provide the electricity, every amenities that they've said they're going to provide in that estate. Developmental levy is charged to foster the development of those facilities in that estate. And let me also note that when you want to get your building plan from Lagos State, they ask for your receipt of developmental levy. So this is not a fee that is eaten by the company or anything. It is not eaten up by the company. So it is not eaten by the company. It is not devoured by the company. It is a fee that you also need to show the evidence of payment to the Lagos State government. It is part of the document you are meant to prepare. You are to present to the Lagos State government for them to give you your building approval. That is one. That's developmental levy. Then the second one we have is survey fee. some companies now, they've incorporated something that we call all-inclusive. All-inclusive in the sense that when you purchase a property, you don't need to pay for developmental levy, you don't need to pay for survey, and you don't need to pay for the legal fees. They've added everything to the price of the property. But in a situation whereby it is not added, when you buy a property, after you purchase a property, there is a charge on survey. So in this situation, when you've not paid for the survey of the property, you won't be getting the survey of the property. What you'll be getting will be the provisional survey. And the provisional survey holds no water like the registered survey. So the survey fee that you pay, it differs from companies, it differs, and you can even decide, if the company allows you, you can decide to call your own independent surveyor to come and survey your own portion of land in the estate, or your own portion of apartments, or your own portion of you can't do it on apartments because apartments are built on each other. Only maybe you bought a bungalow, that means like you're the only one on that portion of land. But in a situation whereby they are up and down, like maybe like a story building, a two-story building, you can't. You have to just pay it to the company and they'll give it to you. So your own portion of land, let's say you bought a semi-detached duplex, you're the only one on that portion of property and all of that. You just call your own surveyor, your independent surveyor, to come down and pick the coordinates of that property, do every necessary things they need to do, and they will register your registered survey for you in your name. So that property would be registered in your name in the land registry and in the surveyor general's office. So when they run checks on that property, on the survey number of that registered survey, it is your name that is going to bring in out, not the company's name. It is your own individual name that is going to bring out. So that is another fee that you are to pay when you are buying the property. In a situation whereby the property you are buying, it is not all inclusive. Then the third one is what we call the legal fee. Of what essence is a property that you buy when you don't have the title documents or you don't have the documents in your name? So this legal fee comes out like the deed of assignment. The deed of assignment is an essential. Just as survey is very, very essential, deed of assignment is also very, very and very essential when you buy a property, because that deed of assignment is what transfers the ownership of the property from the company to you. Without that deed of assignment, you don't own a property. Without it, you don't own a property. You just paid money to that company, and in some situations, you dash that company the money because you don't have the evidence that you own a property or you purchase a property with this company. So that is where the deed of assignment comes in. The deed of assignment transfers the ownership of that portion of property that you bought from the company who happens to be the seller to you, the recent owner. So let's say you also want to sell to another person. You're also going, is either you or the person, not you as you, because you don't have the power to prepare a deed of assignment. Only a legal practitioner can prepare a deed of assignment, but the legal practitioner is acting in your power, in your position. So I will just describe the legal practitioner as you, because whatever the legal practitioner does simply means you are the one doing it, because you've given the legal practitioner an authorization to do that thing. So it's either you prepare the deed of assignment or the buyer prepares the deed of assignment, or in terms the buyer's legal practitioner, the buyer's lawyer prepares the deed of assignment. Then the both of you, in that deed of assignment, before I go to your signature part, in that deed of assignment, it contains history of the property. I don't have a deed of assignment here. I would have made an example. I would have given us a video example. But in subsequent videos, let's say like in 2025, or if I can see any other video on YouTube that gives a detailed analysis of what deed of assignment contains, I'll link it down below. Meaning two things I'm linking. I'm linking the websites from Lagos State for lands, and also I'm linking this deed of assignment video. That's when if I should find one that is well detailed. So the deed of assignment contains the history of the property, the date, the seller's name, your own name, that's the buyer, then the history of that property, where the property originated from which tree was the property now, like the tree and the branches of how the property was transmitted. Let's say it was just like, oh, your seller buys it from, that's like the company buys it from a family straight up. That's like a one-man a one-man line deal. So let's now say that in a situation whereby the seller, which is the company now in this instance, bought from a family, and that family bought from another family, and that family bought from an individual. That means like we have how many trees? We already have 4 trees. These 4 trees are going to be entailed in the deed of assignment, stating the history of the property. Then after that, stating the history of the property, then we'll now talk about the portion that has been allotted to you, that has been allocated to you. This is the portion of your own property. In a situation whereby the registered survey of that property has been prepared and is readily available, the survey number of that property will be included in the deed of assignment as at the time the deed of assignment is being prepared. So then at the end, there is a consent part where you sign, the seller sign, then your witnesses sign. So when you have this in full, you own that property. You own the property 100%. Nobody else can come and take the property from you because you already have your ownership, your proof of ownership. Your receipt, your contract of sale is not a valid proof of ownership. If you've not gotten your deed of assignment today, I'm telling you right now, this is 2024. Stop stalling on it. No matter the amount it costs, deed of assignment actually costs 5 to 10% of the property price. That is the amount the Nigerian Bar Association has put in line that every legal practitioner should charge for property deals. That is 5% to 10% of the price of the property. So your lawyer can charge 10% and your lawyer may charge 5%. 5% in the case where the price of the property is huge. Do you get? So now you cannot come to me now, you bought a property of 100,000 naira and you tell me to prepare a deed of assignment for you for 5,000 naira. I'm sorry, I won't do that. I won't do that because do you know how much it costs to get a seal? Yes, I forgot to mention the deed of assignment also carries a seal. The seal of the firm which has the Nigerian Bar Association written on, or the seal of the legal practitioner as the lawyer which has the Nigerian Bar Association on it. So, but let's say like we're dealing with a property of 1 billion naira. Collecting 5 billion, the lawyer can decide to collect 5%, and your lawyer might decide that okay, it's that 10% I'm charging 10%, nothing less than that. If the person, your lawyer is still in their corner of right, they are still in their power of right, they are not overcharging you and they are not undercharging you. So let me just recap everything that I've said. There are 3 service charges to pay when you're buying a property in Lagos, Nigeria, particularly Lagos, Nigeria. 1, the developmental fee. This fee is not going to the pocket of the property. You need the receipt of the fee. You need the receipt of the fee to be submitted at the land registry when you went to get your building approval. It is one of the documents requested to get building approvals in Lagos. Number 2, your survey fee, and number 3, your legal fee, which is your your deed of assignment fee. And I hope with this you've been able to learn everything you need to know about the service charges that comes with purchasing a property in Lagos. Should in case you have any more questions, please use the contact details below to reach out to me, or you can just use the phone number and the IG address showing, IG username, like Instagram account showing on your screen, to reach out to me. I will definitely respond to you. And if you would like to learn more about real estate, you can just look me up on LinkedIn as Adam Zainab Olaomi. I will link my LinkedIn account below, but my username is Adam Zainab Olaomi Yeti Law, and you will get an extensive knowledge about real estate, both for you as a realtor or for you as someone who just want to purchase a property. You're not interested in buying and selling, you just want to be an investor. You learn everything you need to know in order to guide you rightly. You learn it right there on my LinkedIn page. I'll also be bringing up subsequent videos about real estate for investors, for realtors, for anyone interested in real estate, in the real estate business, or just want to purchase real estate and all. Every Wednesday we'll be dropping real estate videos here. So Do hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video because I have a target to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and right now I'm on 65 subscribers. Let's say before this video comes out, who knows, I might have hit 100 subscribers because I'm making this video today Monday, and today is 5th. Friday, Thursday first, Friday second, Saturday third. Yes, today is 5th of February 2024, and the video will be out. I'm trying to let me check the calendar. Video will be out on the 14th of February 2024. So whenever you see this video, please like, share with your friends and family. Let them come to this space to learn about real estate. I promise you, I will be consistent no matter how bulky, no matter how busy law school is. I promise to be consistent with YouTube this year. So please encourage me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Till I see you next Wednesday. You'll be watching this on the 14th. So till I see you on the 21st of February 2024, to ensure you practice everything and you implement everything that you've learned in this video. Don't give your money to scammers. So I'll see you again. Bye. Oh, before I go, you can always catch up about my law school journey on my channel here every Saturday. I actually had the plan of posting Mondays and Saturday, but I'm not sure it's possible. I'm not sure. So every Saturday, but every day I drop shorts about what I eat, and I drop my day every day. So you can always